How you doing today? Welcome to Mo's Math. Today we're going to show you how to make a 10-inch branch onto a 12-inch header, perpendicular, saddle on. So our goal here is to have a piece of pipe that's going to be coped out to go onto the header that's going to look just like such. We're going to be using Bluebeam Revu today, okay? And I'll explain more of that in a second. The other view would look like this. Once again, you're going to need that coping in there to get this to fit. When you're all done here today, you're going to be able to draw this sketch that looks like such. Okay, so that sketch is going to be started from scratch, and you can see you have a 8-quadrant layout. You can get by with 8 ordinates on 10-inch. 12-inch and above, you're going to need 16 ordinates. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that's half. 4 times 2 is 8, so there's 8 ordinates for this problem. So now we're going to show you how to start your file or your document. So go up to the tab here, go to File, click on New PDF. We're going to go Custom Template, 8.5 by 11 with Portrait View. We're going to go OK. Now we have Document 1, but we have to set a scale here. We're going to go to Measure. We're going to set a scale. Now we're drawing a piece of 12-inch pipe, which is 12 3/4 on 8.5 by 11 paper. The presets aren't going to work. You can see in the drop down. Okay, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to customize this. And we're going to go with 6 inches. It's going to equal 1 foot. And that's going to fill up the paper real nice. Now our precision is critical here. We're going to go to 10 thousandths of an inch. Okay, and we're going to apply that scale. We'll go back to our drawing and we'll show you our scale is set to basically a 1/16. 6 inches equals a foot. And our precision is critical on this, and we're going to apply scale, or in this case cancel. So on your blank piece of paper here, okay, we're going to blow this up a little bit. First thing we're going to draw is this half circle. So on your blank sheet of paper, go up to Tools, go Sketch to Scale, Measure, go down and click on Circle, and we're going to start that circle with the center radius. You can see we have a little X with a little ruler by it, and you'll notice down here is going to be your dimension. Click on, now we're actually down here, we're on Snap to Markup, and we also have Snap to Grid. This is important, Snap to Markup. And you'll see that the square gets to a blue when it's on something that's recognized as a center snap. Click on that, break to the right. Now our header is 12-inch, which has an OD of 12 3/4, so our radius has to be 6 3/8. 6 1/4, 6 3/8. Click on that, double click on it. And now we have our circle. Okay, we're going to undo that. We have our circle. That's 12 3/4. Okay. Now if you blow this up here, you'll see, and activate that, we're going to bring that half circle around. Bring that around. Now we got half a circle. Okay, we have half a circle. Let's tweak this a little bit and get it level. So we have a circle. That's 12 3/4, which equals the header. Always draw the OD of the header. Now we need, on the branch here, on the branch we use the ID. So we need a 10-inch pipe, and this is going to be standard wall. So our wall thickness is going to be just over a quarter. So our branch is going to be 10-inch ID. It's 10 3/4, and I think our wall thickness is 3/8. Yeah, 3/8 times 2 is 3/4. So our branch ID is 10-inch. So down here, we have our 12-inch circle. Now we need a 10-inch circle. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this. And we're going to paste another one. And there we have two half circles at 12 3/4. We're going to put that right over the center here. We're going to bring it up a little bit so it's still concentric. We're going to click on this, double click on that, and you've activated this little box there. And we're going to change that to 5-inch. And then we're going to press enter. Or not press enter. We're going to hit the blue X, close that out. Now we have a half circle that has a 10-inch diameter. We're going to bring this up here, keeping it concentric. Okay, we're going to bring it up again, keeping it concentric. You notice how it slides up in the box here. Stay with me. We're going to bring it up. Okay, but it's upside down. So we're going to go up here, and in our toolbar, we're going to hit flip. Okay, so it's still a little too low. So we're going to bring this up. Okay, so we know that circle is dead center over the other one. It's concentric. So I have these activated in my toolbars. If not, you can go like this and hit alignment. And when you hit alignment, you'll be able to flip horizontally or flip vertically. I happen to have it in my tools up here. Okay, so now we have our 10-inch circle. We have our 12 3/4 circle. So now we're going to draw a couple lines. Hit the line over here. Okay, activate the line. And you'll see that when we get it over that center snap, it turned blue. See that? We'll blow this up. Bring the line over. And when it hits the center snap, see it turn blue? That's the center of the circle. So now we're going to bring it down. And blow it up again. Oops. See how it turned blue? That line is concentric. This 10-inch circle is concentric over this 12 3/4 circle. We're on our way. Okay. Now we have to draw our quadrants. Hit the line segment again. Hit the center there. See how it recognizes the center point? Okay. And if we start up here and we bring it down, it's actually going to recognize a 45. Right there. It turned blue. That's a 45. Go over there. Hit it again. Turn blue. Recognizes this is the center snap. Bring it down. Start up maybe at a 30, 35 degrees. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. Keep, oop, turn blue. That's 45. Okay, pretty easy, huh? Now we're going to bring these lines down. Hit the line again. Let's hit this one. Turn blue. Okay. We're bringing it down, we're bringing it down. Okay, bring it down. Bring it past the circle. It gets a little funky on this curve here. Bring it past the circle where you know it's plumb, and then bring it, maybe even stop. Okay, we know that line's plumb. Now just tweak it and bring it up till we hit that outside of that arc. Okay, let's do it again for the other ordinate over here. Okay, turn blue. We're live. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it past the arc. Let's blow this up. We know we're plumb. Bring it up, bring it up. We're going to cut the line off there, and now we're going to activate it. We're just going to bring it up. Okay, the line is plumb. So what we could do is we could copy that line. We know we need it on the other side, and we could paste it. Pardon me. We're going to bring that. See how it turned blue? Same distance. We're golden. Copy this one. Copy. Bring it over. Paste it. Turn blue. And we're golden. Boom. Same distance. Now we're going to go over here. We have to draw this wraparound line that's perpendicular to the top of the pipe. So we go over here. Okay, take your line. Turn blue. That's the center. Bring it over. You know what? I know that's not level. We're gonna delete that. We're gonna go with the polyline. That works better for this instance. I'm not sure why. And now that line's dead level. Okay, click it. We're gonna copy that. We're gonna paste it over here. That represents your wraparound line. Let's label that. That's your wraparound line. So our distances are from the wraparound line to the top of this 12-inch. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go up here. We're going to go to Tools. We're going to go to Measure. We're going to go to Length. You can see how easy this is. Hit that point there. Bring it down. 1/16. Okay, go over here. Measure the other ordinate. Bring it down. 2 7/16. Those numbers are biblical. Go over here. Hit the wraparound line. Bring it down until it hits the top of the 12-inch. 1/16. Do it again. Bring it down until it's the top of the 12-inch. 2 7/16. That didn't take very long. Now what we could do, here's a good trick now. Really not in the center of the drawing. We're going to hit the arrow. We're going to blue the whole drawing. When we blue the whole drawing, we're going to right click on the inside of the drawing and we're going to group that. Now that's one big giant sketch. Okay? So we're going to get that in the center of the drawing. We're going to go up here, hit the center of the document. And now it's in the center. It's going to look real nice. So those are basically your ordinates that you got there. And you can label that all up real nice and pretty. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Label what your sketch is. Take those ordinates, and what we're going to do is basically you're going to put them on that piece of pipe there. That piece of pipe, you're going to take adding machine paper. You're going to divide it into 8 ordinates. 1, 2, 3. And off the wraparound line, you're going to go up 1 1/16 for ordinate 2, 2 7/16 for ordinate 3, 1 11/16 for ordinate 2. Number ordinate 1 is going to be 0. Ordinate 1 is going to be 0. Connect them with a band iron. Keep in mind that's half the pipe. Do the other half. Cut it. When you cut it, use a perpendicular torch. Don't bevel it. And when you're all done, You're going to have that perfect fit. It's going to look like such. And you're off to the races. So for a recap, I hope this helped you. I think this Bluebeam Revu is basically sold as a PDF editor, and it's great at that. Great for job sites, but it's underestimated as a drawing tool. I did everything in here that you would do in AutoCAD. Taught myself in a couple hours. You could draw basically anything. Got the same precision that I would get with AutoCAD. So throw your pencil and drawing board away. This is the way to go. Sky's the limit. Teach yourself. A couple hours, you'll be a rock star. Hope you like this. There'll be more of this to come. Talk to you soon.